Hi, I'm Steve Ashman and welcome back to our mini video series. In week 1, our video series looked at keeping track of out-of-hours work. This week we'll be taking a look at the impact of delayed and inaccurate invoicing on the running of the business. Along with complex projects, there's a need to collect all of the detail of the work undertaken at the time each element takes place. Even if it's a fixed price or contracted work, it is important to ensure nothing is missed to allow the invoice to be generated and accurate profits calculated. So, what are the main causes of delays to invoicing? Paper holding important information is in the hands of busy engineers that have deadlines to focus on, so paperwork is not their first priority. There may also be inaccuracies in the paperwork. Poor handwriting may need clarity before being usable. Also, documenting the wrong spare parts or having out-of-date costs associated with work make all systems unreliable. These issues have consequences. If you invoice late, then your cash flow can be negatively affected. If you miss detail in the original invoice, it will need to be re-invoiced, adding to the delay and affecting your company's professionalism. Thirdly, as a result, profitability forecasting cannot be relied on, leaving management decisions at risk. So, what is smart business doing? Removing paper from the business and collecting job information at the time it happens offers a greater chance of right first-time input. Smart business removes the need to duplicate any entry at all. It defines a do it once and do it accurately approach. EMEA Smart Site syncs all job information recorded in the app with your EMEA system at the push of a button. To ensure the transition to paperless working is adopted, a smart business will always ensure that the entry process is simple to use. No engineer wants to increase admin, but by creating a simple process that is an asset to the engineer, a new, efficient working procedure can be achieved. Join us for video number 3, the lasting negative effects of multiple systems, next week. If you would like to know more about EMEA software and see further examples of how we help businesses just like yours, email info@solutionsinit.com or sign up for one of our free downloads on our website.